Hi, I'm Kylie, Principal Product Marketing Manager at Adobe. Let's talk about the new Clip Grid in color mode inside Premiere. The Clip Grid changes how you work across an edit. In the Clip Grid, you can see your entire sequence at once, which makes it easy to spot inconsistencies. I can instantly jump between clips, no scrubbing is needed. I can select multiple shots and treat them as one. I can filter and organize my timeline visually as well. For example, I can remove everything that's graded, so I only know what shots are left to be graded. Or I can organize by clip time code, so I can see all of the shots that were recorded together. This makes it easy to create a group. I can hold Shift and select multiple clips, and then add a group here, add an adjustment to all those clips. And I can name the group as well. I make one adjustment, and it's applied to all of them. And the clip grid can also be moved if you prefer to have it at the bottom or on the other side. To reset your layout, you can click here and go to Reset to Save Layout. The clip grid isn't just navigation, it's how you manage color across your entire edit.